Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Book of Stars in 7 Deadly Sins Origin. So let's dive in. Now first, the Book of Stars is basically your overall progression system in the game. It's not just about leveling one character. This tracks your entire adventure and unlocks new content as you go. To access it, you can open your menu and look for the Book of Stars section. And inside, you'll see your current level, rewards you can claim, and what unlocks next. Now, to actually use it, you don't manually upgrade it. Instead, you level it up by playing the game. Things like completing quests, exploring the map, and collecting items will all give you Book of Stars experience. As it levels up, you'll unlock new features, better rewards, and even higher world levels, which means stronger enemies but better loot. You can also use the Book of Stars in certain situations during exploration, like solving puzzles or interacting with objects in the world. And if it runs out of energy, just recharge it using nearby points in the environment. And basically, that's it. The key here is simple. Just keep playing, exploring, and completing tasks, and your Book of Stars will naturally level up and unlock more content for you. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!